Flowering trees are one of the most important additions to any landscape. These trees add color and beauty in addition to curb appeal and property value. All of our flowering trees are low maintenance once established. You don't have to be an expert to take care of these easy to grow trees. Here is the 12 best small flowering trees that you should have in your garden. But before that, I would like to ask you watch until the end, then welcome to my channel. Franklin tree. The Franklin tree, named after Benjamin Franklin, 18th century. Experts believe it extinct in the wild, making cultivated specimens valuable. Flowering dogwood. The flowering dogwood is an iconic small flowering tree native to Eastern America. It produces elegant pink or white bracts that surround true flowers. Flowering almond. A flowering almond is a small tree or large shrub that produces burst of spring color. Elderberry. Elderberries encompass various cultivars of small flowering trees, and garden enthusiasts treasure them for their delicate flowers. Eastern redbud. Eastern redbud is easy to grow and requires minimal maintenance. Of course, pruning helps keep its neat and tidy shape. Eastern red cedar. Eastern red cedar is low maintenance and requires minimal pruning. Similarly, it is pest and disease resistant as well as drought tolerant once established. Dwarf Korean lilac. Dwarf Korean lilacs love fertile, well-draining soil. However, specimens tolerate a range of soils and require regular watering during the establishment phase. Dogwood. Dogwood cultivars are easy to grow. However, they benefit from regular pruning to maintain their shape and improve their air circulation. Crepe myrtle. Crepe myrtle are an adaptive choice with distinct bark and growth characteristics. They produce mottled barks in shades of brown, gray, and reddish-brown. Crabapple. Crabapple is a species of fruiting and flowering tree with high ornamental value. They are available in a variety of cultivars. Carolina silverbell. Carolina silverbell, also known as snowdrop tree or silver bell tree, is a charming and graceful flowering tree that is also native to the southeastern United States. Carolina cherry laurel. Native to southeastern United States, Carolina cherry laurel brings elegance and privacy to gardens and yards. Thank you for watching. To God be the glory.